As an operator of retail stores, you know your consumers have more choices than ever before. So you're investing to make your omnichannel brand stand out from the rest. Because your in-store customer experience is key to brand loyalty. But as you're opening new stores to fuel your growth and meet customer demand, keeping your doors open and protecting your brand image is a constant battle. When you need to grow your business without losing sales, there's ServiceChannel. ServiceChannel gives you peace of mind that your guests will get a seamless, consistent shopping experience across all your stores. Now your team can spend less time solving problems and more on delighting guests and driving sales. With an easy app for requesting service, you get the right provider with the right parts to keep your operations running. And with health records for all your business-critical assets, you can strategically invest your capital to grow sales while reducing your expenses and carbon footprint. When you have ServiceChannel, you can feel confident that you're getting the quality service you need for your brand at a fair price that works for your profits, and that you're working with the best local technicians wherever you need help. That's why 5 of the top 10 global retailers trust ServiceChannel to preserve their brand image and revenue streams. At ServiceChannel, we're more than software. We're a partner that gives you the expert support and proven strategies that you need to scale. Whether your brand is big or small today, ServiceChannel has the power and flexibility to meet your needs as you keep growing into the future. Get a demo at servicechannel.com to see how you can grow without limits.